Hi, if you need to scan QR code on your iPhone 16e, then swipe down from top right corner to trigger your control sensor and find this QR code icon. If you cannot see it here, then press and hold your control sensor, tap to add new control, and find it in this list. So it is named scan code. Now we need to tap on any free space on the screen to exit editing and click this icon once. And you'll see that this camera opens. So take your QR code and point camera at it like that. And it will be immediately scanned and also opened in Safari. So you'll be able to check content of this QR code. You can also enable flashlight and do it again like this. So as you can see, it is immediately scanned. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.